things throughout the course which has helped in constructing my final product, such as using different software as well as equipment. I've learnt to use advanced softwares that assist with putting together and editing, such as programs used in the editing stage, such as Final Cut Pro, After Effects, and Soundtrack Pro. These programs help me in various ways, such as by using Final Cut Pro, I could edit all my footage and add effects, such as changing the colour contrast to give my opening a period look. I then use After Effects to add titles, which is very useful as it provided lots of different fonts, colours and effects such as fade in and out, which I used on my titles between the clips. We also used After Effects to produce our ident with the support of online tutorial Video Copilot. This was very useful as it gave us guidelines and ideas for the making of our production logo, and I ended up choosing the smoky effect as I thought it fitted the genre of my film. To film my final opening sequence, as well as previous small class tasks, for example the preliminary task, I used the Canon 70D camera. This really helped me as it produces high quality film and photos, and I took extra advantage of my final opening by playing with the aperture to allow different amounts of light into the shot, and I also used a 15mm lens and used depth of field to focus closely on the toys and props used. This was a key setting needed to make my opening successful. The dolly was also very useful, and I used this various times to film my opening as it creates a smooth shot without any shaking of the camera, such as the filming of the teddy bear and the rocking horse. I also used a tripod to allow me to film steady shots, such as the close-ups of my main character. Throughout the course I've used several online programs such as Tumblr and YouTube. Using Tumblr I've created an online blog storing all my work in progress, including videos, screen grabs and photos which I update regularly. I've also made a YouTube account to upload all my coursework and have then embedded this onto my blog. All these programs have extended my knowledge, and I can now use these in the future, and they have helped greatly in the construction of my final media product.